Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Juke. In this video I'll show you how to manage dashboard of your car via OBD scanner. In the beginning, make sure that the OBD interface is connected to your car and enter OBD scanner app. Now connect those devices, make sure that the connection is established and go to dashboard. Here you can check fuel consumption, average fuel consumption instant, speed, average speed, distance traveled, and the dashboard. Also, you can check coolant temperature and add additional sensors. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.